The delicate delight of pink sorrel, my adventures with Oxalis articulata. For every gardener, there's that one plant that sparks a particular fascination. For me, it's the Oxalis articulata, also known as pink sorrel. This little charmer has stolen a sizable chunk of my heart and windowsill, with its delicate clover-like leaves and vibrant pink blooms. Since discovering its charm, I've delved deep into the world of this delightful plant. From its captivating features to its surprisingly versatile uses, here's everything I've learned about Oxalis articulata and why it might just become your next gardening obsession. See more 569 species in genus Oxalis at monsteraholic.com. What is Oxalis articulata? Pink sorrel is a perennial flowering plant belonging to the Oxalidaceae family. Native to temperate South America, it's known for its clover-shaped, shamrock-like leaves that fold up at night or when touched, a fascinating display of plant behavior. The true stars of the show, however, are the delicate pink, white, or magenta flowers that bloom throughout the spring and summer months. Where can I buy Oxalis articulata? Finding pink sorrel shouldn't be too difficult. Many nurseries and garden centers carry it, especially during the spring and summer seasons. You might also have luck at online plant retailers. Look for healthy plants with vibrant foliage and unopened flower buds for the longest enjoyment. How to care for Oxalis articulata. Despite its delicate appearance, pink sorrel is a surprisingly low-maintenance plant. Here's how to keep yours thriving. Light. Oxalis articulata prefers bright, indirect light. South-facing windows are ideal, with some afternoon shade during the hottest parts of the day. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water your pink sorrel moderately, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering is a common culprit for root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. Well-draining, slightly acidic soil is best. A good quality potting mix with added perlite for drainage should suffice. Temperature. Pink sorrel prefers moderate temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. It can tolerate cooler temperatures, but might go dormant during winter. Fertilizer. Fertilizing is not necessary for pink sorrel, but a light feeding with a balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season can encourage bushier growth and more blooms. How to propagate Oxalis articulata. Sharing the joy of pink sorrel is easy. This plant readily propagates through division or bulb offsets. Here's how. Division. During spring or fall, carefully lift your Oxalis articulata from its pot. Gently separate the bulbils, clumps of bulbs, at the base of the plant. Each bulbil can be planted in its own pot with fresh potting mix. Bulb offsets. As your pink sorrel matures, it might produce small bulb offsets around the base of the plant. These can be carefully removed and planted in separate pots for new growth. What to plant with Oxalis articulata. Pink sorrel's delicate size and vibrant colors make it a delightful companion plant for various container arrangements. Here are some ideas. Ferns. The feathery foliage of ferns provides a lovely contrast to the clover-like leaves of Oxalis articulata. Begonias. Begonias' vibrant flowers complement the delicate pinks of pink sorrel beautifully. African violets. Both pink sorrel and African violets share similar light and watering requirements, making them ideal pot mates. More than just pretty. Uses for Oxalis articulata. Beyond its ornamental appeal, pink sorrel boasts some surprising uses. Edible. The leaves of Oxalis articulata have a pleasant, lemony-sour flavor and can be enjoyed in salads or as a garnish. However, it's important to note that they contain oxalic acid, which can be toxic in large quantities. Consume them in moderation, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Ground cover. Pink sorrel's low-growing nature and spreading habit make it a good choice for suppressing weeds in shady areas of your garden. A final note, the enduring charm of pink sorrel. Pink sorrel has become a cherished resident of my windowsill. Its delicate beauty, ease of care, and surprising versatility have won me over completely. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, Oxalis articulata is a delightful addition to any plant collection. So, why not give this little charmer a try and discover its magic for yourself?